Harvesting potatoes and hoping there's a lot. This was my potato bed. I have already harvested these, and I now have butternut squash planted here. No, these have not died back all the way, but I'm pulling them now because I have been battling a vole issue, which is the rodent that eats the roots, essentially your potatoes. And I have potato blight, so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest all this and then turn over the bed to plant more things. Looks like there are, a good amount here. This was probably more of the baby Lou variety. These are smaller, but hey, I'm happy. There's another plant right here. This one totally split. That one got eaten. Oh, man. Try to dig more of this up easily. Got one here. This is why I'm digging them up now. These are the German butterball, and this plant is still pretty big and not doing terrible. Ooh. That guy got sun, don't know how, seeing as how it had straw on it. These grew crazy, all together. Okay. Ooh. They're so funny shaped. Whoa. Nice. Nice potatoes there. Those two got big. There's gonna be so many volunteer potatoes next year. Just the one nibble. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at that. I am pleased. I am happy with these. Oh, another split. Pause. Why do those look like baby Lou too? Oh, look at all those. I feel like I want to make a cute little potato soup with all the little ones. And there's more. I wonder if there were more, plants in here. And the stems just died back. Now we're getting to the second half of the bed. Look at that hole. Falling back more. Grab our handles. Ooh, nice one. Oh, we got good ones. Oh, yes. Amen. Oh my goodness. Oh, yay, I'm so happy. Look at that. Right there at the top, untouched. Perfect. And all the rest of these are the bigger varieties and weeds.